You go to bed tired, and somehow wake up even more tired. Your eyes open, but your body feels like it never shut down. The coffee helps for an hour, then the crash comes back. If you're over 50, this can feel confusing, because you slept. So why do you feel drained? Tonight can be different. The next few minutes, you'll learn the real reason many people wake up exhausted. It's not just age, not just stress, and not what most people are told. There's a hidden system behind morning fatigue. Once you understand it, you can start fixing it fast. Most people think tired mornings come from one simple cause: not enough sleep. That's the surface story. But the deeper truth is this: many people are getting sleep time, but not getting recovery sleep. Those are two very different things. Think of it like parking your car in the garage all night, but never turning off the engine. It was parked, but it was still working. That's what happens inside the body for millions of people. Your body may be in bed, but your systems are still running too hard. Your stress signals stay high. Your blood sugar swings through the night. Your breathing gets shallow. Muscles stay tense. Your brain keeps scanning. Then morning comes. You're scanned and you wake up already used up. And here's what surprises many people over 50. As we age, the body becomes more sensitive to small disruptions. Things you could ignore at 30 now hit harder at 50, 60, and beyond. A late meal, one glass too many, bathroom trips, poor airflow, hidden stress. They don't just interrupt sleep, they interrupt repair. Try something with me tonight. Use the steps in this video exactly once. Then tomorrow morning, come back and comment with one number from 1 to 10. How refreshed you felt when you woke up. That number matters, because once you measure change, you start noticing patterns most people miss. Let's begin with the first shift. And it's not what most people expect. It starts before your head even touches the pillow. Step 5 is to stop treating bedtime like an on switch. Many people work, scroll, watch intense news, answer messages, snack, then expect instant sleep. But the body is not a machine with one button. It's more like a runway. Planes need space to land. Your nervous system does too. If you stay stimulated until the last minute, your body may fall asleep. But your internal alarms stay active. Here's what to do. Create a 30-minute landing zone before bed. Lower lights. Turn off loud TV or stressful content. Put the phone face down across the room. Move slower. Speak softer. Even wash dishes gently if needed. Signal safety to your body. You should feel your shoulders drop slightly. Your jaw loosens. Breathing slows. Common mistake: replacing work stress with digital stress. If you swap emails for doom scrolling, the body still reads danger. Once you calm the signal, the next step works even better. Step 4 is one of the most overlooked reasons people wake tired after 50. The blood sugar roller coaster. Many people eat late, eat heavy, or eat sweet at night. Then wonder why they wake foggy. Here's why. Your body becomes the night shift worker. Instead of repairing tissues and restoring hormones, it's busy processing a meal. Imagine hiring a cleaning crew for your house overnight, then throwing a party at midnight. The crew can't do their job. Tonight, try this simple rule. Finish your last large meal at least 3 hours before bed. If you truly need something later, keep it light and steady. Something small with protein or fiber, not sugary snacks. You should feel less heaviness in the stomach and fewer middle-of-the-night wake-ups. Common mistake: healthy desserts right before bed that still spike sugar. Fruit juices, sweet yogurts, cereal bars, they can still disturb the system. Once digestion quiets down, your body can finally move into repair mode. Step 3 is where many tired mornings are secretly created. Poor night breathing. You may not notice it, but shallow breathing, congestion, snoring, or mouth breathing can reduce sleep quality dramatically. You don't always need to fully wake up. Sometimes your body just keeps getting micro-alerted all night long. Think of oxygen like fuel delivery. The trucks are delayed, the factory slows down, your brain notices every drop. So it keeps nudging you into lighter sleep to protect you. That means less deep restoration. Tonight, clear the pathway. Sleep on your side if snoring is common. Slightly elevate the head if congestion is frequent. Keep the room cool. If your nose feels blocked, use steam or a warm shower before bed. Focus on gentle nose breathing as you settle in. You should feel the breath become quieter and smoother. Common mistake: assuming snoring is harmless. Loud snoring, gasping, or severe daytime fatigue should be discussed with a healthcare professional. That one change can transform energy levels. Once airflow improves, we move into a deeper level most people never consider. Step 2 is powerful because it targets something invisible: muscle tension, tension stored from the day. Many people think stress lives only in the mind. It doesn't. It lives in the neck, jaw, shoulders, hips, lower back, hands. You carry meetings, arguments, worries, and rushing in the body long after the moment has passed. Then you lie down tense and expect deep sleep. Imagine trying to charge a phone while 10 apps are running in the background. It charges slower. That's tension in the body. Energy is being drained by constant hidden contraction. Do this tonight. Spend 5 minutes releasing stored tension. Unclench the jaw, lift shoulders up, then drop them. Tighten fists, then release. Press toes down, then let go. Slowly scan from forehead to feet. Tell each area to soften. Exhale longer than you inhale. You should feel warmth or heaviness in the limbs. That's a good sign. Common mistake: rushing the process. Tension melts when the body feels safe, not when it feels forced. And now we come to the most important step of all. Step 1, the most powerful shift, is stabilizing your wake time, not just your bedtime. Most people obsess over when they go to sleep, but ignore when they wake up. Your body runs on timing signals. Light, movement, meals, and wake time all train your internal clock. If wake time changes wildly 6 a.m. one day, 9 a.m. the next, noon on weekends, the clock becomes confused. Then sleep quality weakens and mornings feel like jet lag. This matters even more after 50 because your internal timing system can become less forgiving. Consistency becomes medicine. Here's the move. Use a realistic wake time you can maintain most days, even weekends. Open curtains quickly, get daylight in your eyes. Walk for 5 minutes if possible. Eat breakfast at a similar time. This tells your brain day starts now. Tonight, that same brain is more likely to release sleep signals on time. You should feel sleepy at a more natural hour within several days. Common mistake: sleeping in to recover fatigue. Feels helpful short-term, but often delays recovery long-term. Regular rhythm restores deeper sleep faster than random catch-up sleep. Now for the final step: the calm reset that ties everything together. When you wake during the night, many people over 50 do not panic. One wake-up does not ruin the night. The body often cycles naturally. The problem is not waking. The problem is the stress story that follows. Here we go again. Tomorrow is ruined. That stress spike wakes you more. Instead, use the reset method. Keep lights dim. Don't check the clock. Breathe in gently for 4 seconds, out for 6. Relax the tongue from the roof of the mouth. Let the bed hold your weight. Think of rest as still valuable, even if sleep hasn't returned yet. This removes pressure. Pressure is often what blocks sleep most. You may notice something surprising. The moment you stop chasing sleep, sleep starts returning. So here's your simple routine tonight. 30 minutes before bed, create your landing zone. Finish heavy meals at least 3 hours earlier. Improve breathing conditions in the room. Release body tension for 5 minutes. Keep a stable wake time tomorrow morning. If you wake at night, use the calm reset instead of panic. That's the full transformation system. Not magic, not supplements, not endless hacks. It's just restoring the signals your body already understands. 2 bonus tips that help more than people realize. First, morning sunlight is stronger than many sleep products. Even 10 minutes outdoors can improve night sleep timing. Second, caffeine can linger longer after 50. If mornings are rough, try moving your last caffeine earlier in the day and watch what changes. And remember this: waking tired is often not a sign that you're broken. It's a sign that your recovery system is being interrupted. Once the interruptions are removed, energy often returns faster than expected. Tonight, test this. Then tomorrow, come back and comment with your refresh score from 1 to 10. And tell me which step made the biggest difference. Then come back again after 7 days and share your progress, because patterns show up with consistency. Someone you care about keeps waking exhausted, send them this video. If you want more simple, science-backed ways to restore energy after 50, subscribe and stay with us. Your body may be asking for help, not punishment. Listen to it tonight.